Hello everyone, this video is about how to hide an element in Revit. Okay, let's see. This is a 3D model of two-story house, and let's see how to hide levels in 3D view. The special thing in the hiding an element is if we hide an element in a view, that hidden is only for this view. Okay, let's see. If I hide this one, click on it and right click, hide in view, element, category or by filter. It means we can hide this level as a category, as an element, or we can filter the levels to be hidden. Okay, I select hide that element. It means I hide only that level. Okay, I'll undo it, Control Z. Okay, if I need to hide all the level elements, right click, hide in view, category. You can see that all the elements got hidden. Okay, this is the way of hide an element in Revit. Let's see for another element. Okay, to this wall, right click, hide in view, element. It was hidden. And if I need to hide all walls, right click, hide in view, category. All got hidden. Okay, I'll undo it. That's another way to hide an element. That is, click on this and click on this temporary hide isolate button. Okay, click on it, hide element. Click on it, click here, hide category. Click, hide category. Like that, we can hide an element or category, or we can hide by filter. Thank you for watching this video, and let's see in our next video. Thank you.